What's up, guys? So it's early in the morning. I decided to stop by this Laotian fast food place where I work at. It's called AC Deli. Man, this chicken and sticky rice is bomb. And what I love about it, it's only 8-some bucks, yo. Shoot. So let me try out the sticky rice real quick. So it also come with a this little spicy dipping right here. Let me open this up. This spicy stuff, it has a little like a salty taste to it, kind of like maybe to put a little fish sauce in here or something. But it tastes good, bomb, yo. Let me try. Yep, y'all see that right there? Okay, let me go ahead and put my thumb here so it doesn't like. So what we do is you get this chicken right here, and you just gonna. Yep, that's how I like it, like that. And you know, as I'm eating, I'm looking through the back rear mirror side just to make sure my client's not coming in. Cause that chicken is bomb. With some sticky rice, can't go wrong. Y'all like eating in the car? No, because when I eat, I like sitting in the car. Give me some time to think. Sometimes when you eat in the break room, this chicken bomb. Sometimes when you eat in the break room, your staff trying to talk to you, and you trying to be polite, and you trying to talk back, and your food get all cold and everything. At the end, you don't enjoy your food, and the next client come in, you can't even eat. That's why I just sit in my car and enjoy my food, and I look out for the client. And when they show up, I just pack it up, get ready to go, take care of the client. But I don't want to be bothered when I'm eating, man. That's my food, and me. We need some alone time. That's all I gotta say. My food and myself, we need some alone time. Don't be asking me like, how's your day? My day's fine until you interrupted my lunch. And you know, being a nail tech, you gotta eat fast. Because you never know. I almost swallowed a bone, yo. Almost swallowed a bone. Don't want to die right there. Okay, when I eat chicken, y'all, I don't like to suck on all these little corners. But my kids, they eat it until the bone falls off. Let me go and put the bone right here. Let's go ahead and get another chicken. And their chicken size is pretty good. And look how nice and crispy they look, man. See, I gotta keep looking out for my client, making sure she show up. Because, look, I don't like to make a client wait, y'all. When they have an appointment with me, I make sure I'm ready. This damn rice is bomb. That spicy sauce right here, it give you a little kick. Woo. And the reason why I'm eating this early is because I might be busy all day and I don't have time to eat. And if I do pedicure and I have to lift a lot of legs, that's very tiring. And you don't eat, you can't lift the leg. You got to eat so that you can actually have energy to lift the leg and scrub the leg. It's no joke, y'all. Pedicure, if you see a lot of nail tech that do a lot of pedicure, they got good arm, good bicep tone, because it's hard to lift legs. Lifting the legs is like lifting weights, and sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you get the 50-pound one, and that's tough. So what I do is I appreciate when the clients lift their own leg, because that saved me a lot. Give me more energy to scrub their feet. So it's important that that chicken's gone. Bomb ass chicken, y'all. See? And it comes with 4 pieces. Look at this. I got 1 more pieces right here. And we got another one right here. But it's getting spicy though. Hallelujah. This is amazing. Trying to see if the clients are here yet. When they show up, I'm ready. I'm ready. But I'm getting full though. You see, that's a lot for $8. I'm getting full, y'all. Whew. But the thing is, I probably have to save this for later, because I'm getting full and I don't want to be yawning and sleeping while I'm doing the client's nails. Yeah. Maybe 1 more bite. I'm good. So what? I'm just gonna wrap this back how it was, and we're good to go. You see? So imagine if I walk around selling this and nobody would notice if there was like a missing pieces in here, all ripped apart and everything. All right, guys, I'm about to go do some nails. Hold on, drink some water real quick. Whew. That's some good breakfast. Man. Let's get it. Let's do some stretch. Oh, we about to do some nails up in here. My client's here. What's up, girl? Jess. Whew. You look cute, girl. You look, man. Hey, are you hungry?
A little bit. I had meeting today.
Oh, cool. I got you some sticky rice and chicken. Yeah, have some.
What? There are bones in here. Did you eat the rest of the chicken?
I actually did. I had some in my car before you got here, and I figure I'll save you some. You want some?
Yeah, you might as well go ahead and unwrap that for me.
All right, man. I got you. You know how we get down like that. Shoot, we can't say no to them fried chickens, even though there's leftovers, right?